Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Safari not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First solution, you have disable the VPN. So then you have disable on your iPhone when you have connect the VPN on your device. When Safari you have used is not working, so you have disconnect. First solution, you have VPN on your iPhone, so then you have disconnect. Then second solution, you have remove all Safari website data. So then you have open the setting again. So you have scroll up, then you have click on Safari, scroll up, then you have clear history and website data from here. So then you have click here and then all clear history data and website on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile will restart, then your problem will be fixed. Then fourth solution, you have reset network settings. So you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter the passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have update software on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be installed on your iPhone. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.